Do you believe snail secretion can heal the skin infectious diseases? The snails are the natural medical therapy for these serious skin diseases. Many people are struggling to heal. Watch till the end. It sounds disturbing, but in some spas, live snails are placed directly on the face. Yes, real snails slowly crawl across human skin. Why? Because as they move, they release fresh snail mucin, a powerful healing secretion they naturally produce to repair their own injuries and protect their soft bodies. This mucus is rich in growth factors, hyaluronic acid, enzymes, and antimicrobial peptides that hydrate, calm inflammation, and stimulate skin regeneration. The movement also gently massages the skin, increasing circulation and helping absorption. Shocking as it seems, what feels strange is actually a biological repair system working in real time.